Hi, this is Sue Stamp from Sue's Super Stampers, and I am back, and I am happy to be here and want to share with you the February Paper Pumpkin from Stampin' Up. And Paper Pumpkin is a kit that arrives to subscribers once a month, and you have to subscribe before the 10th of the month in order to get that month's kit. And the kit is complete, actually. It comes with everything that you will need, and I will show you everything in just a second as soon as I get this opened up. It's all plastic wrapped. This is how it comes in your mailbox. And like I say, it comes right to your house. Can't get much more convenient than that. And this is the February. It's called Sunshine and Smiles. And when you open this up, you will see what's inside. And one thing that's always inside is a Stampin' Spot. Now, this is a mini version of our ink pads, and this one is Mango Melody this month. So each month you'll get one, and you can collect a whole set. This will save you money because you won't have to buy the full-size stamp sets, and you'll have a good selection. This is one that's called Parakeet Party, but this gives you an idea of the full size. But Mango Melody has a nice amount of ink in it, and it will last you for a while. So let's see what else is in here. You have a stamp set. I'm going to set this over to the side so I can show you the contents. So we have the Stampin' Spot. We have a stamp set. And let me get a piece of white paper behind here so you can see it. Oh, there's a frog and a kite, some flowers and the sunshine. It says, "You brighten my day," and friends in any kind of weather. This one says, "Wishing you sunshine and smiles," and this says, "Hello." How cool is that? That is so cheerful. I love it. Now you'll see how some suggestions for extending your crafting on this. And there is additional items and things that you can purchase. But this is what comes in the kit. And you will be amazed at the amount of activities that you can complete in each set. Now, typically there are cards in the set, and sometimes there are treat boxes or something else, but probably 10 times out of 12 there are card kits. So this is what the card kits would look like completed. And you can see there's 1, 2, 3, and it goes from rainy to sunshiny to flowers blooming and flying a kite. And it has all kinds of cute little critters. And this sheet actually opens up, and yes, they give you a ruler, and you get 1-by-1 instructions. This is number 1, number 2, and number 3. How nice is that? So you'll have complete instructions. And then there is also on the back some alternative ideas for you. And the components for this kit make 9 cards and envelopes. And the coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors, if you want to add colors to them, for this set is Balmy Blue, Basic Black, Cajun Craze, Coastal Cabana, Daffodil Delight, Flirty Flamingo, the Mango Melody that we got in the little Stampin' Spot, Old Olive, and Shaded Spruce. So lots of great colors in our kit that in our catalogs that we can use in our kits. Now, you have inks at home. You can use any of your kits. Now, these are the envelopes, and they come with the inside embossed. It looks like a watermark type of coloring of the Mango Melody. And then we have the cards have, oh, how cool is that? I love that one. And then we have a yellow one here, and it has the blue background. And then we have a blue background that has that irregular shape. And what's on the inside of it? Oh, that's the raindrops. And it has a gray background with the raindrops. So each color, each of the three colors, the blue, the yellow, and the pink have openings. So you're gonna see through that opening, and you can have these items that will be peeking through. And these are the little critters I was talking about. Aren't they adorable? We got some clouds and flowers and umbrella. Oh, that frog is too cute. And you have 1, 2, 3 pages of those stickers. And then you have these that you can punch your sentiments on. And there's 2 pages, it feels like, of this. Let's see, is there 2 or 1? Maybe there's just 1. It's with cardstock, so it might just be 1. Yep, it's 1. So we have 4 of this size, and then there's also 4 like this, and 4 of the banners. So you have, let's see, 4 times 3 is 12. So you have 12 things for your sentiments. So if you make a goof up on one, you have an extra. And then these are the little kites. Now, aren't those cute? Those would be really adorable colored in with our Stampin' Blends. But yes, you do have 4 of those also. And I think this is going to be a great kit to put together. I will prepare one of each of the kits as they have subscribed to in their information sheet, and I will also make some alternatives. Oops, here's some more goodies in here. We have another package with goodies. This is beautiful little dots, nice glossy enamel dots. And this is little blue raindrops. Oh, these are dimensionals. These are our 3D adhesive squares, or let's see, they're not squares. What are they? Hexagons? And those are to give height to items that are on your card. And these are little glue dots. You can use these on this project, or you can save them and use them. I have a to-go bag, so I keep some of these in my to-go bag in case I forget to include a glue. But I'm going to leave you now. I will be back, and I will show you some alternatives and the cards that I made with the kit as the paper pumpkin shows. So thank you much for tuning in today. I'm glad to be back, and I'll see you back shortly. Thanks. Hi there, it's Sue Stapp back with you again, and I have some adorable cards to show you. Again, this is the paper pumpkin for February 2023, and the name is Sunshine and Smiles. That gave me a little bit of a clue, huh? So, like I mentioned, they give you 9 cards to make. And what I did was I made one of each of the original ones. Here's number 1. It says Friends in Any Kind of Weather. And it has the little turtle and the frog and some clouds. And then the second one is You Brighten My Day with a nice pretty rainbow and a sun over here. That's one of the stamps in the set. And the cute little duckling. And then the third one, I did the bunny with the kite. And it says, Wishing You Sunshine and Smiles. And I stamped the flowers along that little hill. So those are the 3 original ones, or close to the original ones. I might have taken a little liberty. But these are the ones that I came up with. And I'll go through them kind of quickly, but if you got questions on how I made them or anything like that, you can get a hold of me. And my contact information is SueStapp1@gmail.com. That's the easiest way to get a hold of me. My 24/7 store is sustamp.stampinup.net, and my internet webpage is sustamp.com. So here are those cards, and I will add that for a couple of these I did add the cling stamps. It's called Go-To Greetings, and if you haven't ordered this yet, this is a must. I use this almost daily. It has sentiments, just a note, thank you, thinking of you, happy birthday, and hello. And it has it in all different fonts and type styles, and they're all very pretty. They could be masculine or feminine. You can use them, like I say, for any of these sentiments. This is the first one, and I did use that stamp set, and it says thinking of you. I used the little frog stamp, just stamped them down here. These are the hills that were part of that one card, and I use the other two for this. Like I say, I like to mix it up a little. This is one, they had the flowers in the stamp set, and this one says wishing you sunshine and smiles. And I added the little dots that are on here, and I put a couple of flowers on the inside too. I like to decorate the insides of the cards. Here's one that has the bunny and the kite, and it says wishing you sunshine and smiles. Again, that's one of the sentiments that's in the set. And then this one says friends in any kind of weather, and it has the duck and the turtle and some rain clouds up above. This one is the bunny with the kite, and I added some ribbon, and this is a white and balmy blue ribbon that we have in our catalog, and I really like it. It's one of my favorites. So this is one of the card insides that has the variegated or shadowed coloring, and it says you brighten my day. This one says that sentiment that says friends in any kind of weather, and this is one of the backs of the cards that we had in there, and this set was especially adaptable because it had coloring on one side and the second side, so you could use them either way. And I stamped this friends in any kind of weather. This one I did wishing you sunshine and smiles, and it is just the flowers that I colored in, and I used the pink on this with the pink dots. And did I put anything? Oh yeah, I did put some of the gingham on the inside that I cut away from this, because these pieces are actually 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, so they're the size of an A2 card, so you get to cut them down. So I did use them, 2 strips on the inside. Here's another one that is using that Go-To Greetings with the happy birthday and the nice font, and it looks like it's a little bashful frog wishing happy birthday, and that's on the rainbow that's on the inside of the card. And then I took this one and I cut part of it, the gingham, at an angle. I stamped the sunshine. It says friends in any kind of weather. So I've kind of repeated the sentiments. There are, I forget how many sentiments there were in the set. 4 different sentiments. There's a little tiny hello, but I did the sunshine on one side and the raindrops on the other. Of course, raindrops make flowers grow, so friends in any kind of weather. So those are my alternatives that I made just within the last couple hours, and I still have all of these parts, all of these pieces, and like I say, I used a couple of things from my stash, a couple different scraps of cardstock, and I still have all of these. There's an umbrella, and then these are that we did the sentiments on. So you really do get a lot in these kits, and I have my little spot with the ink in it, and then here's all, I have 9 envelopes that came with the kit, and these all have the Mango Melody on the inside of the card. So actually you can cut these cards open and use the inside for other cards too. So this is a very adaptable kit, and I had a great time putting the stuff together. Now, I wanted to tell you that Stampin' Up! Has been around for a while. Actually, 10 years. We're celebrating our 10th anniversary. So there is a new set coming out, and it says, "Thanks for growing with us." And if you subscribe, you get a free gift. So I think that, nothing better than a free gift. So if you're interested, I have sign up on my website at my 24/7 store. And if you're really interested, if you sign up on my team right now, you can qualify for a bonus amount of free stamp and items that you can pick out, or a free stamp and die machine. So lots of goodies going on this month, and it is already, let's see, it's the 19th of February, so we still have celebration going on, but that only goes till the end of the month, so the 28th. So you have less than 10 days to take advantage of celebration. Celebration is where you earn a free item from the celebration catalog, depending on your purchase order of either $50 or $100. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you are interested. Like I say, there's a lot of promotions going on now, and if you'd like more information on any of it, you can always give me a call on my cell phone too. But you can reach me first at sustamp.stampinup.net. That's my Stampin' Up! Store. sustamp1@gmail. That's my email, and my website is sustamp.com. So that's all I have for today. I've been a busy girl for the last couple hours. I've had so much fun. I invite you to join me next time. Thank you, and happy stamping.